Hey guys, what's going on? It's FadedMotocross here. Just got a new package, and pretty sure it's a rocket exhaust. So let's open it. Start on these sides here. And open the top. Been waiting for this for a long time. Alright. We got a kind of poster thing here. That's the pro rider, Michael Lee, right there. He runs rocket exhaust, of course. Open that. Alright, let's see. There she is right there. And then the part going into the header. Let's get her open. I got this one in the aluminum, but it's actually anodized with a carbon tip. Turn her around here for you guys. There she is. It's pretty light, honestly. Of course, it says rocket on the side there. Sound canceling technology. You got your carbon tip. Alright, we'll open up this part going to the header here. This is the muffler part. There you go. I believe it's made out of stainless steel, so